A new trading platform, Webull, has launched in Canada. Already popular in the US, Webull aims to make investing easier and more affordable for Canadians. By eliminating many common fees, Webull hopes to attract both new and experienced investors. The platform stands out with its modern design, advanced tools, and focus on user experience. Available on both mobile and desktop, it offers flexibility for managing investments. Webull's promise accessible, low-cost trading for all Canadians. In this review, we'll cover its commission-free model, user-friendly interface, and investment options. We'll also highlight where it falls short, like tax reporting and customer support. By the end, you'll know if Webull Canada fits your investment goals. Webull Canada's headline feature is commission-free trading. You can buy and sell Canadian and US stocks and ETFs without paying per-trade fees. This makes it easier and cheaper to build a diversified portfolio across two major markets. Webull also offers extended trading hours, letting you react to news before and after the regular market day. But how does Webull make money? Mainly through currency conversion fees when trading US stocks, and by earning interest on cash balances. While trading is commission-free, be aware of these other costs. The platform's broad market access and low fees are a big draw for active and cost-conscious investors. However, always check for additional charges before you trade. Commission-free doesn't mean completely free. Understanding these details helps you make smarter investment decisions. Webull Canada is built for today's investor. Its clean, intuitive interface makes trading simple for beginners and efficient for pros. Real-time market data and advanced charting tools are included at no extra cost. You can analyze trends, use technical indicators, and make informed decisions quickly. The paper trading feature lets you practice with virtual money, perfect for learning without risk. Webull's mobile app is powerful and mirrors the desktop experience, so you can trade anywhere. Fast, responsive, and packed with features, the app appeals to investors who want flexibility. Whether you're new or experienced, Webull's tools help you stay on top of the market. The focus is on making investing accessible, educational, and mobile-friendly. It's a modern platform for a new generation of Canadian investors, but is it enough for everyone? Let's look at the limitations. Webull Canada has some key limitations. It doesn't offer registered accounts like TFSAs or RRSPs, major drawbacks for long-term tax-advantaged investing. Only non-registered cash and margin accounts are available. Tax reporting can be less straightforward than with established Canadian brokers, so you'll need to keep good records. Customer support is limited to app and email. There's no phone line for urgent help. The investment selection is also narrow. You can only trade Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. No mutual funds, bonds, or options are available. If you want a wider range of assets or registered accounts, you'll need another brokerage. Webull is best for those focused on stocks and ETFs in non-registered accounts. For more complex needs, it may not be a one-stop shop. Consider these factors before opening an account. Now, who is Webull Canada really for? Webull Canada is ideal for active traders and cost-conscious investors. If you want to trade US and Canadian stocks frequently, the commission-free model saves you money. Real-time data, advanced tools, and paper trading make it great for learning and strategy testing. The sleek mobile app appeals to tech-savvy users who want to manage investments on the go. But if you're focused on retirement savings or need registered accounts, Webull falls short. The lack of TFSAs, RRSPs, and broader investment options is a major limitation. For long-term tax-advantaged investing, look elsewhere. But for simple, low-cost trading in non-registered accounts, Webull is a strong contender. Ultimately, the right platform depends on your goals and priorities. Webull Canada is a modern, affordable choice if it matches your needs.